Hello, lovely people. Welcome to Delicia at Home. My name is Delicia if this is your first time watching. And as promised in my most recent video, I owe you all some home decoration inspiration videos. I kicked everything off in the last video with a refresh at my coffee station, and today we're doing a Mother's Day tablescape that's beautiful yet affordable. I promise I will either let you know in the video or in the description everything that I've used. If I forget anything, please feel free to ask, and if I can't find the direct links, I will leave you something similar below. I hope you all enjoy. First things first, we have to start out with a clean slate. So we're going to get this table clean. And for all of you who are new here, if you enjoyed today's video and you find anything helpful or enjoyable, please consider subscribing. I would love to connect with you here. This indoor-outdoor table runner was purchased from Marshall's. I apologize ahead of time. I have no tags on it, so I don't know who made it. I don't have the packaging either, but I will link something similar below. My rule of thumb, I always like to start from the center and work my way out. So we will start with laying the runner down on the table. I DIY'd several of these centerpieces many years ago for a family event. I adhered vases to candlesticks from the Dollar Tree with E6000 adhesive, and I just pulled one out of storage and spray painted it gold. Normally my next step would be to put down placemats, but I chose to exclude that step this time, so I will just be using the chargers instead. Cupcake stands were a Home Goods find, but I will link something similar below. Next, I will garnish the plate setting with these lovely napkins and napkin rings. You don't have to spend lots of money on napkin rings. I DIY'd this with faux stems I already had on hand. You see the stems are wired and very flexible. So I took the stem, wrapped it around my fingers like so, and now I will show you how I use this on my napkins. Now all you have to do is take your napkin, fold it in half so that it's a triangle like so. Then I place the napkin on the table flat like this, and I take the bottom of the triangle, pull it through the napkin ring, and you have a lovely dinner napkin with a beautiful DIY napkin ring. The gold-plated flatware is from Amazon, and I will link that for you guys below. For stopping by and watching today. And again, to those of you who are new here, if you enjoy anything in this video or if you found anything helpful, please consider subscribing. And as always, lovely people, don't let anyone or anything steal your joy. You own it. Make your day amazing. I'll see you all in the next video.